Hey Queens, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a pretty simple column. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how I get the spiral column. Okay, right now what we're doing is just blowing up our balloon. Reason why I'm not sizing is because the pump that I'm using has an automatic sizer, and this pump is pretty unaffordable. You can find it on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead, of course, and drop the link in the description. With this pump coming with a sizer made things a whole lot easier, because then all I did was blow up my balloon, and that push that you see I'm doing on the balloon is to give it a more round balloon as opposed to the pear shape. Pear shape I just don't like it. Okay, I just don't like it. With the pear shape, it shows the stand a bit more, because just how it comes out. The rounder look makes it a bit fuller. We just completed our black. Let's jump right into our next color. This balloon tried to give me a hard time, but you know what? I'm good at eye sizing too, so let's get into it. Yes. So what we're doing here is we had two blacks, one white, and one yellow. This is how we're going to be able to get that sparrow, because our focal color in this case was black. So that's what we did, the double black. Now, that's pretty much it. So let this music play for a little bit. Okay, Queens, right now we're about to create what's called a quad. And this is how you get the sparrow. A quad is basically you taking two balloons that you have tied up together separately and combining them to make four. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this one more time just so we can practice together. Let me move back a little bit. You have your two balloons, you push them together, twist the balloon around each other. That's how you get to form a quad. Ooh, we're getting to the excited part. Now, let's build this like pros, okay? If you've been following along, go ahead and make it and alternate your colors. Once you alternate your colors, don't worry about stressing out about this part, because even me, who've been doing this for 6 years, still makes mistakes, okay? The good thing about balloon is that it's flexible. Just make sure you have one black, one yellow, one white, one black. And once you put your second column, you will definitely be able to see that sparrow. Once I move this a little back a little bit, you'll see what I'm talking about. But the great thing about this pole is that once you put your balloon on it, you can be able to play with your balloon and move it around to get that sparrow look that you're looking for. And sometimes you can even double side the black and just wrap it around the pole once you get to it. So we're going to go ahead and speed it up, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about here. Balloon is a flexible thing. Take your time, have fun with it. If you're not having fun with your balloons, that just means you need a little bit more practice, and you need to be kind to yourself. Want to learn how to add a balloon topper to your column? Let me know in the comments, and we'll be able to practice that as well. But listen, this is it. You did it. If you've been following along, you did it as much as I did. You're not here for the booty, but I just want to let you know it's getting bigger. You're about to see it. Have a great day.